Good morning to all. This is for class 5th maths. Class 5th, today we are going to start our chapter number 4, that is operation with the large number. In this chapter we will study more about addition, subtraction. So let us start from exercise 4th A. See, exercise 4th A, first question, add. In this question you have to do simple addition. 5 plus 3, 8. Then 4 plus 5, 9 plus 4 plus 5, 14. 14, 4 carry 1. So in this way you have to add this simply. So first question is your homework. You have to do it by your own. Now coming on to second question, arrange in column and add. See, these questions are of simple addition, but first of all you have to arrange in column like it is arranged in the above question. So in this way you have to arrange and add. So this is also your homework. Now coming on to third question, it is subtract and check the answer. So first of all you have to do only simple subtraction here. So hopefully everyone are aware about how to add or how to subtract two numbers. So this third question also you can do it by your own. Then if coming to the question number 4, these are also simple subtraction. You have to subtract. First of all you have to arrange this in column like it is arranged in above question. So in this way you have to arrange and you have to do it, subtract it. Then question number 2 and question number 4 you have to do in your notebook. 1 and 3 you can do in your book only. Now coming on to question number 5. Fill the missing digit. This is a bit tricky question. This you have to see what we have to fill in this column. What number has to be come in this fill in the blanks in this circle. See, here this is of addition. Okay, so how you will do? 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Then what is coming? 8. So how many number are short? 3. So you will write here 3 like this. It is filled. Now coming on to next part. 6 plus 1, 7. What it is coming? 2. 2 cannot come. That means 12 here it is coming. So 7 plus 5 will be 12. So here 5 will come. Then 12 means here 2 it is written. Then 1 carry had gone here. Then 1 plus 5, 6 plus 3, 9. Here 10 is coming. So what is short? 1. So you will write here 1. Then again 1 carry had gone here. So 6 plus 6, 12 plus 4, 16. 16 means 6 will come here. 1 will go carry. Then 1 carry had gone here. Then it is 4. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 5, 13. 13 again 3 will come here. 1 will go carry. You will write here 3. Then 1 had gone here for carry. 1 plus 1, 2. Then 4 is coming. So what is short? 2. So here it will come 2. Like this way you have to fill the missing by seeing what has to be come here. So fifth question, all part are same. Do it by your own. Now coming on to question number 6. Here it is of minus. So we will see like this. Here it is 3 and from 3 we have to bring 6. So it is not possible. So we will take carry from here. Now 1 will go here as carry and here it will become 13. So from 13 what number has to be subtracted so that we can get 6? So the number is 7. So that's why here 7 will be filled. Now after taking 1 carry, here remains 8. Now from 8 if we subtract 2, then what we will get? 6. So here 6 will come. Now after subtracting something from 6, we cannot get 4. So from here we will take 1 carry. So it will become 10. Now from 10 if we will subtract 6, so here 4 will come. Now after taking 1 carry, here remains 4. From 4, if 4 is subtracted, then the answer will be 0. So here it will come 0. Now what should be subtracted from 6? That 2 will come. So it is 4. If we subtract 6 from 4 from 6, then the answer will be 2. So here 4 will come. Now 2 subtract 1, then we will get 1. So in this way you have to fill the remaining parts also. These are similar. Now coming on to question number 7. Now in question number 7 the heading is simplified. That means you have to simplify these questions. In these questions there will be 2 or more sign like plus or minus. So how you are going to solve this? See, the number carries same sign will be added together, and after that the sum will be subtracted from each other. See, first part, these two numbers are of plus, so these two you will add together, then the answer will come, that will be subtracted from this number. See how. Here it is. First of all we will add these two numbers, then we will get the digit 680510, this digit, and then we will subtract these both the digit, then we will get our final answer. So in this way we have to add the numbers that carries same sign. Now 7th D. See, here two numbers are of plus, first and third. These two numbers are of plus. Then second and fourth, these two numbers are of minus. So how you will do? You will add first and third number together and second and fourth number together, and the answer we will got after adding will be subtracted from each other. See how. First and third number will be added together, then minus sign will be there, then second and fourth number will be added together. So after adding these two numbers we will get 1530760, and after adding these two numbers we will get 1281765. Then the answers of both the numbers will be subtracted. So after subtracting both the numbers we will get 2812525. This will be our final answer. This is how we have to solve this. 7th B and C I left. This you have to do by your own. This is your homework. Now question number 8. These are simple plus, so you can do it very easily. Now question number 9. These are simple subtract. So this is your homework. You have to do it by your own. Now coming on to question number 10. Again different signs are coming here. First one is of plus, then other two is of minus. So what you will do? Same sign will be added together. So that is why these two numbers will be added together, and the answer which we will got will be subtracted from this number. See how. See, this is question. Now these two are of minus, so these two will be added together. After adding these two we will get 10751624. Then we will subtract this from first number. After subtracting we will get the answer 63188,428. So this will be our final answer. In this way we have to solve this. See now 10th B. 10th B also same. In this, first and third, these two numbers are of plus. Then second and fourth, these two numbers are of minus. So we will add first and third together. See how. This is your question. Then see, first and third, these two numbers are of plus. So we will add it in one bracket. Then second and fourth, these two numbers are of minus. Then we will add it in another bracket. So after adding, we will get 1, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 5. Then after adding these two numbers, we will get 1, 1, 5, 5, 1, 0, 4. Now we will subtract both the numbers and we will get our final answer, which is 91141. This is how you have to solve this. So today your exercise 4A is completed. In next video I will explain 4B.